Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 4, today I am going to take your English language class. Now today's topic is letter. Today we will know how to write a letter, and you have done it in your half yearly exam, right? So we will review the the rules to write the letter. So let's enter the class today. So actually there are two types of letter: formal letter and informal letter, right? We all know it. Formal and informal. And formal letters are the official letter. Like if you write the letter to the headmaster or to the director of any company, that means the business letter. So those are called the formal letter, and the informal letters are the personal letter. And today we will know about the informal letter. We will discuss about the personal letter or informal letter. And the personal letters are, that means you are writing the letter to your relatives, your friends or your parents. So those letters are called personal letters. That means you write the letters for your personal purpose. So how will you write it? At first we will write the heading. That means there will be address at first. So where do you live? Suppose you live in Bonusri, so you will write your address at first. Then you will write the date, and then there will be greetings or salutation. Salutation like dear sir or madam, or dear friend, or dear father or mother, like this. Now the body will come. That means now the main part of the letter, that means whatever you whatever you try to write. So this is the body of the letter, and then what will come? Then you will write the subscription after the ending of the letter. Like sincerely yours, or yours ever, etc. And then there will be a signature. So these are the 6 parts of the letter, and then we will draw an envelope with pencil. And now look, my dear students, there is a sample of letter. And now look, write a letter to your friend congratulating him or her on his or her brilliant success in the examination. So this is the question, and we will follow this structure. So at first we will write our structure. Suppose we live in Bonusri. So this is our address, Bonusri, Rampura, Dhaka. And then we will write the date. And suppose today's date is 20 September and the year is 2020. So we have written the address and the date. Now the salutation. Suppose the name of my friend is Ria. So the salutation will be dear Ria. Now the main part of the letter, that means the body, will be here. Let's read. I am very glad to know that you have stood first in the annual examination. Please accept my heartiest congratulations on your brilliant success. You are really worthy of this result. We are proud of you. My parents are also very glad to know of your success. It will be a great pleasure for us if you visit us shortly. With best regards and love to all. So this is the main part of the body. Then what will come? Yes, the subscription. So yours ever, and then the signature, that means we will write our own name. Suppose my name is Mita. So we will write here Mita. So these are the 6 words, and if you follow it, at first you will write your own address, then the date will come, and now we will write the salutation, then the main part of the letter, that means the body, and now the subscription, and then the signature, that means we will write our own name. Now we will draw an envelope, and we will draw this envelope with pencil, and we will divide it in 2 parts. And now look, there is from, that means we are sending the letter, and we are sending the letter to Ria. So there will be the address of Ria, and here we will write our own address. My name is Mita and I live in Bonostri, Rampura, Dhaka. This is my address. And Ria lives in Bagha, which is in Rajshahi. So this is Ria's address. So we will write our address on the left side of the envelope, and we will write the address of Ria, that means to whom we are sending the letter, on the right side of the envelope, and there will be a stamp, and you will draw this envelope with pencil. So this is the sample of letter. And now in your annual term there are other letters, and what are they? Write a letter to your friend condoling him or her on his or her mother's death. Write a letter to your friend inviting him on the occasion of marriage ceremony of your sister. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to join a picnic. And the last one is write a letter to your father requesting him to send you some money for buying some books. My dear students, all of you will write your letter following this sample, that means following this structure or rules, and you will also get the get these letters in your book, page number 126 and 127. So you will get all these letters in your book. And dear students, there is a homework. This is homework number 13. Write a letter to your friend condoling him or her on his or her mother's death. So you will do this letter as your homework by following this sample. That means at first you will write the address, then you will write the date, and then you will write the salutation, and then you will write the body, and then the subscription will come, and then you will give your signature, and then you will draw an envelope, and on the left side of the envelope you will write your address, and on the right side of the envelope you will write the address of the person you were sending the letter. So my dear students, I hope there will not be any confusion regarding this. So that's all for today. Dear students, all of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. Your SBS city and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So dear students, all of you practice a lot and abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.